Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is for all the chicken lovers. We are making the special Hyderabadi Red Chicken curry. Now this is typically made during special occasions and festivals, although you can enjoy it as a regular meal. This is a staple in many Hyderabadi weddings. So let's get started and check it out. For the marinade, first we're going to make the cashew almond paste. To the mixer jar, I'm adding 15 almonds, 15 cashew nuts and 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Well, coconut is optional, and if you don't have it, you can make just the cashew almond paste. Add a little water and grind everything to a nice smooth paste. So you can add water intervals to get that right consistency. So you can see we have a very nice smooth paste. Transfer this to a bowl. So the marinade is the key for this recipe. There are a lot of ingredients that go into the marinade. First is the cashew almond and coconut paste. Next, add the puree of 1 large tomato. To this, add 2 tablespoons of curd. Next, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce, 2 teaspoons of green chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Now let's start adding all the spice powders, starting with half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of salt. So you can adjust the salt according to your taste, half teaspoon of pepper. So next I'm adding 2 handfuls of fried onions. I'm going to add a lot of flavor to the dish. Next, add a handful of fresh mint leaves, a handful of fresh coriander leaves, 2 green chili slit, the juice of half lemon and 2 teaspoons of ghee. So you can see we have a whole lot of ingredients that go into the marinade. Usually for this preparation, they add a small pinch of red food coloring. So that's entirely optional, but I'm not adding it here to get that nice rich red color. So if you do want to add that food coloring, it's up to you. You can add a pinch to get that red color. So now that the marinade is done, gently add the chicken pieces. For this recipe, I've taken half kilo of chicken. So I'm just going to add the chicken pieces. Once you've added the chicken pieces, mix everything well. So all the pieces are well coated. It's actually a very simple dish with great flavors. It's best to marinate the pieces for 1 or 2 hours. You can also leave it overnight if you don't have time to cook on the same day. I'm going to marinate this for 2 hours. The chicken has been marinating for 2 hours now. It's time to cook the chicken. To a nice white kadai, add about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding a generous amount of curry leaves here, about 3 sprigs. Transfer the marinating chicken into the kadai. So gently mix everything. Now we're going to slow cook this. Close the kadai and cook the chicken for about 25 to 30 minutes. How will you enjoy this special Hyderabadi red chicken curry with rice or roti? Let me know in the comment section. So after 5 minutes, gently mix the pieces. So just make sure you mix it at intervals so it doesn't get burnt. So once you've given that a good mix, close the kadai and continue to cook. So the chicken has been cooking on medium-low flame for about 30 minutes now. You can see it's cooked beautifully. Look at that beautiful rich red color. Finally, I'm going to finish off by adding a few chopped coriander leaves. Finally, finish off with some nice fresh cream. Gently mix that in. So there you go, this delicious Hyderabadi red chicken curry is done. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. You can enjoy it with any roti or some mild pulao by the side. Just look at that beautiful red chicken curry. The masala's coated all the pieces and it's cooked to perfection. It's so juicy and so tender. It's incredible. It looks amazing. This is one dish that you can make during special occasions, especially when you're having dinners with your family or friends. You can treat them with this great dish and all these beautiful and special flavors. Well, I can't wait to try this special red chicken curry, Hyderabadi style. Well, today I'm enjoying it with some nice pulao here, but you can have it with anything. Wow, the chicken is so juicy. The flavors are incredible. Amazing. The chicken has absorbed all those beautiful flavors. It's so tasty. Great flavors and very easy to make. Just be a little patient with the marination and you're going to get an amazing dish at the end of it. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.